Hello class, welcome back to the art summer camp session. Today we are going to learn something very interesting and colorful, that is tie and dye. Tie and dye is an art technique in which we fold the fabric and then tie it tightly with the dye thread, and then after we will dip it into the colored water according to your color choice. Now let's get started. For tie and dye process, we need some materials which include bowl, tie and dye thread, scissor, colors, water, some objects like marbles and pulses. We will cut a fabric into two parts so that we can give different effects on the fabric. First of all, mark the center so that you can give effect equally. So here I am doing partition so that I can calculate the center. And now here you can see that how I am holding the fabric. So first of all, we have calculated the center and then tie the fabric with tie and dye thread. We have to tie a thread tightly so that we can have a beautiful effect of tie and dye. So here I have knot a fabric tightly and repeated this process on whole the fabric. On the second one, we will give pebbles effect, or you can also say the pulses effect. In this effect, you have to put a stone or a pulse inside the fabric and tie tightly around it like this. Make sure your thread is very tightly knotted so that we can have a beautiful effect, and make sure the pebbles or the pulses which you are inserting in, that will be in an equal distance, or you have to mark the point on which you have to tie a thread. The third technique is cardigan fold, in which you have to fold the fabric like this. You can also call this process a fan folding, in which you have to fold a fabric like this in equal patterns and then tie the cardigan fold very tightly. Now we will repeat this process on the another side of this fold like this. So here we have done three techniques. The first one is circles, the second one is pebbles, and the third one is cardigan fold. And now I will tell you how to mix colors in water. We can also mix natural colors like turmeric powder and indigo, etc. Now here I have bowl of water, turmeric powder and some acrylic colors. First of all, I will pour turmeric powder in a water. The turmeric color will give a yellow effect, and the second one I have for a different color. This is acrylic color which I am using here. You can take any color of your choice, but here I am using blue color. You can make a blue color with indigo also, but here I am using the acrylic colors. In a yellow color, in which I am pouring some salt so that we can fix the color. The third one I am using green color.
Now dip these folded samples in colored water according to your color choice. Dip the cloth samples at least 15 to 20 minutes in the colored water bowl. After some time, take out the fabric from colored water. Make sure you squeeze the fabric properly and wait for some time so that fabric can dry in natural air. Now take the semi-dried fabric to cut the knotted thread. Make sure you cut the knots of thread carefully. You can also take the help of someone. Unfold the thread like this and you will get the beautiful pattern. Now check out these beautiful effects that I have given with the different tie techniques.